Hi, Maaret. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks, Pallavi. How are you?
I'm fine as well. Thank you, Maaret. Maaret, thank you so much for accepting the keynote speaker invite for the Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance. Although you don't need an introduction, but I would request you to please introduce yourself.
My name is Maaret Pyhäjärvi. That's maybe the most complicated thing, kind of saying my name, especially my last name. I've been a tester for 25 years, and currently for the last about 2 years, I've worked at Vaisala with weather and environment observation areas. So that's what I do.
Okay. Okay, Maaret. Thank you for that information. So your topic is I have a rock in my shoe, improving navigation. Would you please tell us briefly what the talk is about?
The talk is about kind of recognizing things that are not working and then taking action and doing something about it.
Okay.
I've noticed that this is a common feeling that I have very often, kind of this idea that, as testers, when we go into organizations, we have our job to do the testing, but also there's all of these kind of problems under the surface that make doing our work harder. And it's like as if you had a rock in your shoe and you need to somehow figure out how to get the rock away so that you can just enjoyably, enjoy your walk and promenade outside.
Okay, that's an interesting concept and thought process, Maaret. I'm sure audience will learn from your experience and would be able to implement it to remove the rocks from their shoes. Maaret, I have a question for you. Is there anything which, your career span of 25 years and you have spoken in more than 27 countries. So anything which you think you would like to tell your younger self which would have done differently?
I don't know if I would have done things differently, but I have a lot of younger selves that I get to coach and help get started. And I'm noticing that the message that I keep repeating with the new people is being practical, kind of like, doing a thing at a time and letting the work you do teach you things, kind of combining learning and combining the doing. That's how
Okay.
you really progress, and being brave. Like, we are never alone in this world. There's other people who have taken this route before us, and there's other people who are contributing to whatever we are doing right now. So daring to open your mouth and saying, I don't understand that. It might make sense to you, but it's not obvious to me right now. Can you try explaining it again with different words? That being brave is it's like a superpower in many ways.
Okay. Thank you for that, Marit. Thank you so much for this time for the interview series, and we look forward to hearing your keynote at the GTR event on 11th December. Thanks, Marit.
Thank you.